nice chess set for your kids from the age of 4 till 99. A child and a grown-up, they both can play. Hello guys, today we've bought a children chess set for you guys. It's from the company Aldoro. Each and every chess piece is big enough for kids to handle and play with it. Let's start reviewing. So now we have opened very nice carpet with black and white chess boxes. It's water resistant, meant to be put in the grass in the open grounds. And now let's put all the chess figures on it. And now it's set and ready. Let me show you each and every player, how big it is. This is my hand and this is the castle. It's a little bit bigger than my hand. This is the castle, the horse, minister, the king and queen, and each and every soldier. It's very easy for children to put each and every player, hold it. It's also difficult. These players can't get lost. And this is the white team. Same players. Children loved it. They like to play social games, and it's good for their thinking, for their development. I would recommend you all guys to buy a nice chess set for your kids from the age of 4 till 99. A child and a grown-up, they both can play nice chess. As mentioned before, this chess set is meant to be played outside. These are the hooks which are meant to put through this hole into the ground so that this carpet remains stuck in the ground so that players don't fall out. And it's optional. If you like to use these 4 hooks, you can use them gladly. Let me do the first step. I wanted to give you guys another size comparison measurement. This is a normal football. Look how big are the chess players in comparison to a normal football. Totally recommended. Buy for your kids. Thank you. The last thing I would like to show, it also came up with a normal sports bag. You can put all the players, all the both team members in this bag, and it's very easy to handle. I find it very practical. You can take that wherever you want, during your holidays, during any function, any event. I find it totally practical. It came up with the box, and this whole set was with a reasonable price. It costed me, I think, €70. Totally worth it. Kids will keep playing it. It's nice to have an intelligent indoor game, outdoor game for kids all the time at home. Thank you for watching our video. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you.